How to fix Karos is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the general tab, you can add -DX11 to the launch options. And if this is not supported or not working, you can try DX10. Then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. Once this is completed, you can close Steam and then open up a new browser tab, search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link. Now, from this table here, you will need to download and install the latest redistributables, the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. Once you've installed these, it will likely ask you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, you will need to do one thing before launching the game. You will need to check if you have the latest GPU updates installed. If you're running NVIDIA GPU, you will need to use the NVIDIA app to get the latest driver updates. And if you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software. And once you've checked and installed the latest driver update, you will need to open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. If you found this helpful, leave a like and a comment, and see you on the next one.